Welcome to this presentation on Authentication and Authorization in ASP.NET. Today, we will explore what these concepts mean and how they can be implemented in your application. Authentication is the process of verifying the identity of a user or system. It is essential to ensure that users are who they say they are. Common methods include username and password, multi-factor authentication, and social logins. Authorization determines what an authenticated user can do. It controls access to resources based on user roles and permissions. There are two primary types: role-based and policy-based authorization. ASP.NET Identity is a robust membership system that allows you to add login functionality to your applications. It includes integrated middleware for handling authentication requests and supports standards like Open Authorization and OpenID Connect. In ASP.NET, authorization can be implemented using role-based and policy-based methods. Role-based authorization assigns roles to users, while policy-based authorization allows for more granular control. For authorization, define your roles and policies, apply the authorized attribute to your controllers or actions, and handle any unauthorized access attempts. When it comes to security, always use HTTPS, enforce strong password policies, and keep your systems updated. Regular testing of your authentication and authorization mechanisms is also crucial. In summary, authentication and authorization are vital for securing your applications. ASP.NET provides powerful tools to implement these features effectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more information.